The EWARE humidifier. Okay, this is what it looks like. You put your water in here. You set this down on top. You plug it in. Okay. Now, you turn it on, and it has a light that tells you it's on. And then it has the mist button here, and it starts misting. It's that simple. Just put a little bit of cold water in it and turn it on. Then you turn it off and the steam stops. This is awesome, especially when you got a kid that's sick, that's all stuffed up and can't breathe. These are awesome. I got mine in exchange for a review of it, and I really, really like this. You should check them out on Amazon. It's EWARE.